All right, boys and girls, so today we're going to be learning about the hour and minute hand. We are now on chapter 14, so we're going to be practicing 14.1 today. So let's get started. Right now, you will see a clock, and I'm going to make it full screen, and we're going to talk about how we can show time on a clock. Let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is that this is called the hour hand. The hour hand points to the hour. Now, I'm about to show you the minute hand. The minute hand is the minute hand points to the minute. Now notice that the minute hand is blue and it is also, the minute hand is blue and it is also longer. The short hand is black and it is shorter. Now, whenever the minute hand, the long one right here, whenever the minute hand is at 12, we say o'clock. Right now, you see 10 o'clock. Let's try another one. Are you ready? I'm going to move the hour hand, the short hand, and I want it to be 3 o'clock. So notice what I do. I'm going to move it up to 3, and right now you will see 3 o'clock. The reason that I know it's 3 o'clock is because the short hand, the hour hand, is pointing to 3, and the minute hand is pointing to 12. Whenever the minute hand is pointing to 12, we say o'clock. Right now, it is 3 o'clock. Let's try another one. I want it to be 4 o'clock. Right now, you see 4 o'clock. The hour hand, the short hand, is pointing to 4, and the minute hand is pointing to 12. It is 4 o'clock. Now, I want to do 8 o'clock. Okay, that means that the hour hand must be pointing to 8, and the minute hand has to be pointing to 12. That says o'clock. So in just a second right here, we're going to watch another video. You get to watch a mini video about the hour and minute hand. Let's take a look.
Hey, Jackson, come here for a minute. Whoa, a clock! Can you tell what time it is? No. What time is it? Well, you see the shorthand? It's called the hour hand. The shorthand is the hour hand. Got it. And what number is the hour hand pointing to? The 4. Now this long hand is called the minute hand. The long hand is the minute hand. Correct. And it's pointing to the 12. When the minute hand is pointing to the 12, we say o'clock. O'clock. So we tell the time by reading the hour hand first, 4, and then we read the minute hand. The minute hand is on the 12. That means we say o'clock. So the time is 4 o'clock. Get it? Got it. Good. Now what time would it be if I move the hour hand here? The hour hand is pointing to the 7. 7 o'clock. That's right. And now, 5 o'clock. Time to go eat. Bye. Bye, Jackson.
All right, you just got to see Jackson try time right here. Don't forget, we always start with the hour first, and then we go to the minute. So for today's assignment, what you will see right here, for today's assignment, it says, drag the hour and minute hand to show the time on the clock. Look at this. It says the hour hand is the black line, the minute hand is the blue line. So let's take a look at one of the problems before you get started today. So it says, drag the arrows to show 10 o'clock. Now remember, the hour hand is the short hand. That means I would move this to 10. And the minute hand is the long hand. In order for me to say o'clock, it must be pointing to 12. So today, what you're going to do is you're going to be dragging the arrows on the problems to show us the time that it says at the top. Now, when you get to the bottom over here, it says, write the time that is shown on the clock. Let's take a look. It says the hour hand. Now, as we know, the hour hand is the short hand. So that means that the hour hand is pointing to 4. What is the minute hand pointing to? The minute hand is pointing to 12. Whenever we say time, we say the hour hand first. That means it is 4 o'clock. When it's 4 o'clock, it's time for lunch. All right, guys, Good luck with the assignment today. If you have any questions, you can comment and I'd be happy to help.